delicious masterpiece. Seriously, guys, look at that. That's some chocolate yumminess. Oh my God, I love. Thank you, Daily Harvest. Oh my God, this is so good. What's going on, my beloveds? How are you? So, it's early in the morning. It's like 6 something in the morning. I just woke up and did my meditation, and I was thinking it's time for us to do another What I Eat in a Day video. So here's the thing. Let's be honest. I am a pretty boring eater. I love my superfoods green smoothies. I drink them every single morning along with the raw green celery juice. And I know you guys are probably getting pretty tired of me telling you that. So, in honor of that, I decided to surprise you guys and make something special for you for my What I Eat in a Day. So, ne bouge pas s'il te plaît. Ta-da! A delicious and healthy acai bowl. So here's what I did. I made this last night because it just makes life so much easier, especially if you get up early in the morning like I do. And it's you know what? The recipe, I'm gonna put a link here or here to the video. I actually did a whole video on how to make an acai bowl, a really nutritious and delicious one. So I'm gonna link that for you guys. Go check it out. And now I'm gonna show you how I top it. So let's get going. In the interest of time, I just preset these. So, and you can top it however you want. Now, I love bananas, so we're gonna pop these on. Chia seeds, full of nutrition. Next, flax seeds. Look how pretty this is, you guys. And we're gonna top it off with some delicious organic coconut flakes. Ta-da! Now, I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret. This is not the prettiest of decorations. I guarantee you guys could do better. So here's what I want you to do. Give it your best shot. I want you to make this acai bowl. I want you to decorate it as beautifully as you can, and I want you to take a photo of you with your acai bowl, and I want you to send it to me via DM on Instagram. So I'm gonna put my little Instagram right here. It's DrElizabethLive. Show me what you got, guys. Because I guarantee you it's prettier than this. Now, I'm gonna take this deliciousness with me. I'm gonna change my clothes, get ready, and I'm gonna head to the gym, and I'll see you guys at snack time. Let's just try this. Oh my God, seriously. Okay. Okay. Honestly, I hit this one out of the ballpark. This is really good. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao! My boyfriend and I just finished my workout, and I am hungry. So I'm gonna show you guys. Normally after a workout, I usually have a smoothie or something like that, or a salad. But today, I'm too hungry to even wait. So I'm so excited. I have to tell you guys about these. I discovered these. They're all vegan bars. I have to just show you. They're Nelly bars. I recommend you don't try them because if you do, you will be addicted. They're insanely delicious. It's literally like a candy bar, but it's raw vegan. They're incredible. So I will treat myself to one of these maybe like once a week. I don't have one of these every single day because even though they're raw vegan, they're still pretty rich. But after a killer workout like I had today, you better believe I'm gonna crack one of these open. All right, so let's go ahead and indulge. Seriously, guys, look at that. That's some chocolate yumminess. Oh, so if you guys are interested, I had put these on my Amazon page. Here's the thing, I created an Amazon page because you guys are always asking me, Dr. Elizabeth, where do you get the wraps? Where do you get the bars? Where do you get the bikinis? And anything I get on Amazon, you guys can go to my Amazon page. I'll put the link right here. And I'll also put the link in the description box. And you guys can go there and anything that you like that I've worn or shown you or used in the kitchen, it's all there. and you guys can check it out. Okay, that way you don't have to go hunt for it on Amazon. All right, now I have some work to do, and I will see you guys at lunchtime. Oh, I got a great big special lunch for you guys. You are gonna love it. All right, let's go. Just kidding. Now it's time for lunch. And check this out, you guys. Look at this gorgeous masterpiece. If I say so myself, it looks pretty delicious. No, I did not order that. I made that myself. So if you want the recipe, I'm going to go ahead and put my link to my Patreon channel right here. Also, I'm going to put it in the description box below. Make sure you go and check it out. I have podcasts there. I have, as you guys can see, really delicious recipes there. This, my beloveds, is raw vegan mac and cheese. And I'm sorry, I can't talk about it any longer. I'm actually going to take this to the balcony and dive in. So I will see you guys next at snack time. All right, ciao. Bon appetit. So I just got back from one of my meetings, and it's a little bit of time before I go to Flower Child Cafe with my friends and meet them for dinner. So it's time for a snack, and I have the perfect snack to show you guys. I'm madly in love with Daily Harvest, and you're gonna see why in just a minute. Literally, you can just take this like this, open it up. It comes in its own container. Pop it in the blender. Like that. Add a little bit of almond milk or water, and it would be perfect. However, I'm gonna get a little fancy on you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some raw vegan protein powder. I am gonna add some, and you have to use this container because this is the exact measurement. I learned the hard way the first time. And I'm gonna add some amazing raw vegan homemade chocolate almond milk, which is the bomb. Okay, so pop this in here. Perfect. And we're gonna whip it up. Let's go. You guys ready? Okay. I think this is good. Oh my God, that smells amazing. Seriously? Oh my God. I have not tried this flavor before. It's like a chocolate. Oh wow. Seriously? It tastes like mint chocolate ice cream. Oh my God, this is really good. Okay, I'm really happy with this. Let's go ahead. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. Seriously, it's the perfect snack. It has, check this out, banana, spinach, cacao nibs, cashews, peppermint, chlorella, vanilla bean. I added some raw vegan protein powder, and I added some homemade chocolate almond milk. This, I'm telling you guys, is the bomb. Oh, so just so you guys know, if you guys want to try some Daily Harvest, I highly recommend it. It's super easy, it's super convenient. Just like today, I was looking for a snack. I just wanted something easy to just pop out of the freezer and pop into my blender. You get 3 free cups with your first order if you use the code DrElizabeth. I'm going to put that right there for you guys. All right, bon appetit, nostrovia, salud, a votre santé. To your health, my beloveds. Now, I'm going to jam on this, get back to work, and I'll see you guys at dinner. Oh my God, I'm in love. Thank you, Daily Harvest. Oh my God, this is so good. You can also take the lid and just pop it on like this. It's so cute. They even have a little place for a straw. See you guys right there, which is really cute. And so if you're on the go, you want to take this in the car with you, if you're going someplace, absolutely perfect. Now, I'm going to take this with me. I'm going to sit down, do a little bit of work before I go to dinner with my friends, and I will see you guys at Flower Child for dinner. All right, ciao. Hey, my beloveds. Hope you having an amazing day with me today. I loved taking you with me on my What I Eat in a Day video. So, I'm just getting ready to head into one of my favorite restaurants, Flower Child Cafe. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm going to meet some of my friends. It's been a beautiful day. I've loved spending it with you. And now, I'm going to head in and grab myself a vegan bowl and just chill with my friends. And I will see you guys next time. In the meantime, head on over to my Patreon page. Check that out. I have recipes there. I have podcasts there. All sorts of really fun things. Also, head on over to my website. I'll put the link right here and get my free downloadable meditation CD. You guys are going to love it. It's amazing. And don't forget my Real Talk Wednesday videos I do every single Wednesday. All right, my beloved, you guys know I love you. I love you to infinity and back. I appreciate you guys so much. And remember, you can do this. And I'm here to support you every step of the way. Ciao!